Greetings. Hello, this is Mike from Codex IT School. How are you? My friends, before we continue or start actually our next video class, I just want to ask you and propose to subscribe to this channel if you want to get updates, the latest news from IT world in Canada or worldwide, right? And also, if you like my videos, just give me a thumbs up, and then this definitely will increase the audience of the videos I'm posting. Okay, my friends, in the last video, actually I installed version 18 of Java on my Mac computer, but imagine that situation when you accidentally install the Java version 18, but you actually need another version. I don't know, 16, 17, 15, or whatever, 11, right? What to do in this situation? Simplest solution is to uninstall Java, because that's the only one way. Uninstall Java and then install correct version. And today in this video lesson, I'd like to show you basically two ideas, like two directions how to uninstall Java, and not only one version of Java. I will show you how to uninstall two versions of Java. First one is version 8. You can find the latest build on the java.com official website of Java. And the second one is Java 18, which, if you remember, I got and installed from the official Oracle website, oracle.com, and then downloads and then Java. So today in this video, I'd like to show you how to uninstall both. But if for version 18, I can show you only one solution how to uninstall. But for version number 8, I can show you two solutions. All right, so let's get started. First of all, we have to open terminal. In my dock, I already have a terminal, and I assume you also have this application already logged in your dock. It's pretty simple how to do that. Just simply, make a right mouse click for the terminal and then go to, options, and then you can simply say keep in dock. Right, before that, we went to, go and then utilities, and then you double click on the terminal, and then once the terminal appearing here, again, as I said, make a right mouse click, options, and then keep in dock. And then every time this terminal will pop up and will appear in the dock. Anytime when you restart computer, or you can sign out and log in as different users, right? It's a good location. All right, let's open terminal. Now it's time to ask, hey Mac, what version of Java I have, the major one, the default version. So Java, then space, and then dash, and the version. So on my side, I have version 18.0.2.1. I remember, and you should remember, that we installed this version recently, right? If you didn't see that video, I will give you a link, in description. All right, but how can we actually uninstall this Java version 18? Can we just simply say uninstall Java? Unfortunately, not. This is not the solution. But I have a document. Actually, I will give you those steps in the document very soon. After you will watch the video, just open. And basically, this is the document I have on my site. Pretty simple solution. First of all, we have to check if there is a Java development kit installed in my directory. We just have to copy and paste that directory, library / then Java, then Java JDK, and then press enter. So I'm going to use Java and then /L, and then I press tab. So my Mac will give me auto suggestion, and will be visible the full word library, and then the next one will be J, and again auto suggestion, just press tab. Then the next one will be Java, and then Java JDK, and then press enter. At this time, it's enough. So how can we see what's inside this folder, Java JDK? We have to easily say ls, which is list all the files. Let's continue with my file. So type ls. Okay, we got it. Then if you see JDK file, okay. So my friends, now it's time to delete it. First of all, we have to say super user do, which is sudo command. So this will give permission to my computer, because this is not administrator account. This is one kind of regular user, not the guest, but the regular user. but I'm giving, administrator permissions to delete that files. So sudo is really great command, but we have to be very careful. Do not use sudo commands, everywhere, because this is super fragile moment. So if you will use like sudo everywhere and then you can delete all the files, it might be a problem. All right, so sudo. The next one, remove rm, and then dash rf recursively and force, and then we just need to say the name of that file. Just simply copy and paste, and then press enter. Now my Mac is asking me to enter my password from this user, right? Not the something else. So I'm gonna use my password. All right, there is no message, there is no feedback like, yes, something got uninstalled. So do not expect that, file, okay? Just simply say last one more time and you can see there is no Java version 11.0.2.1.jdk on your computer. How can we check and how can we trust that there is no right Java on my computer or on your computer as well? Same request, Java and then space and then hyphen version, press enter. That's interesting moment. So before that, before this deleting, I saw another version 18 on my computer, right? Now this version got deleted, but it's another version. This version is related to Java version 8, which is also installed on my computer. I also installed that manually, version 18 and version number 8. So similar idea, I can simply use this command super user do and then remove recursively in force and then just copy copy that number. But I will show you much simpler solution. So you just need to get that installer file for Java version 8. You can just go to official website of Java and type Java download and then go to Java download for Windows if it's on Windows, or you can go back to download and then Java will identify that this is operating system called macOS and then download Java. So it's a Java version 8 macOS and the extension is DMG. So I'm waiting for a few seconds and then I'm gonna double click. Then I can see yes, open. Yeah, I want to open that file. And now it's really interesting. So welcome to Java. And we have an option to install, but I don't need to do that because I already installed this Java version 8 is already on my computer, but I want to remove it. So do you see we have the same installer, the same window of installer for both operations, for installing and for removing that Java 8. Okay, say remove, just give your password. Java maintains a cache to speed the reloading of commonly used Java programs and store some kind of, cache like trace and log files. As you're removing the Java runtime, we recommend also removing the cache for free space on your computer. Yeah, so would you like to remove the Java cache recommended? We can say yes. On installing Java, you successfully removed Java. Congratulations. You can close this, you can close this, you can close web browser. And now it's time to ask one more time that already familiar request, Java dash and then hyphen version, press enter. The operation could not be completed. Unable to locate a Java runtime. Congratulations, we deleted 2 versions of Java, Java version 8 and Java version 18. Let's go. My friends, if you like this video, if you like my classes at Codex IT School, just subscribe to this channel, share with your friends, give me your likes and comments, and we definitely see each other in the next videos. Goodbye.